It is that time of year again, flu and cold season. Practically everybody I know has already caught some sort of bug. Your mom will tell you that the cure for the cold is chicken soup and a hug, but I'm gonna tell you how to reduce your sick time to 2 days or less, and also how to kick a cold the minute you start feeling sick. Welcome back to IO, I'm Charlotte Dobre. If you need a place to get your news on YouTube, smash the subscribe and notification bell and follow us on Instagram. On this channel, I kinda wanna start doing how-to videos. If you have any suggestions of how-tos that you would like to see, write your suggestions in those comments. There are plenty of articles that give advice on how to get rid of a cold, but I'm gonna tell you a little secret that's actually not a secret, that has honestly saved my butt so many times. I've done this simple method and gotten rid of a cold in no time at all, and it's completely natural with little to no side effects. Obviously, if you have a more serious illness like bronchitis, you're gonna need antibiotics, but most of the time this method works. Before I tell you about how to cure a cold in 2 days or less, I just wanted to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, Wix. I'm a working actress, and in order to keep working, I gotta do two things: stay healthy and represent myself with a professional website. And recently I created the best website I've ever had using Wix. Whether you're an experienced coder or someone who doesn't know the first thing about graphic design, Wix's builder gives you all the tools you need. It gives you access to so many layouts, virtually infinite amounts, and designs that you can easily edit to fit your needs. Wix allowed me to create a website that I am proud to link at the bottom of every email I send. You can add pictures, video, and animation to make it even more eye-catching. It's weird that animated text can draw in people's attention, but it totally does. It's like, ooh, it's moving. I like it. Whether you're an artist, clothing designer, business professional, or e-commerce store, Wix can fulfill all your website needs, and trust me when I say that you will look legit as hell with a Wix website. Alright guys, thanks for bearing with me for that little plug. I'm gonna get right into it. To get rid of a cold, you're gonna need a couple of things. The first is garlic. Lots of it. And the second is orange juice or vitamin C supplements. The minute you're feeling sick, take 2 cloves of garlic and slice them into pill sizes so you can swallow them. Swallow the pieces one by one with water, but I personally like orange juice because it gets rid of the flavor. Garlic doesn't have the best flavor when it's just raw. Vitamin C will also help you get rid of your cold. I will say that it's important that you take raw garlic. I know there are garlic supplements out there, but raw chopped garlic is what you need. Garlic contains compounds that boost your immune system function. According to a study conducted by the Garlic Information Center in East Sussex, garlic reduces the symptoms of a cold and speeds up the time you take to recover. The volunteers who took garlic took far less time off sick from work than those who were given a placebo. In some cases, it reduced sick time by up to 80%. So why is garlic so effective at fighting a cold? The benefits of garlic have actually been known for centuries now. There's an ingredient in garlic called allicin. It's produced when raw garlic is crushed. Allicin causes white blood cells to reproduce. White blood cells fight off diseases and infection. You're gonna need a lot of them to kick a cold. The reason why I say eat raw garlic is because allicin is destroyed when garlic is cooked. So if you want all the benefits of garlic, make sure you take or eat it raw. Garlic is also a great thing to eat on the regular in order to prevent you from getting colds and the flu in the first place. So if you want to stay healthy, it's recommended that you eat garlic all the time. Possible side effects: garlic smelling gas. Your burps and farts are going to be nasty as hell. That's because garlic also boosts hydrogen sulfide production. But hydrogen sulfide is actually a good thing. People who have high garlic diets protect themselves against many types of cancers. And lastly, another important way to get rid of a cold is to sleep. Sleep as much as you can. Take the garlic before you go to bed and sleep all day if possible. Take more garlic when you wake up and repeat the process for at least a day or 2. I can honestly say that this method has saved me from so many colds and from taking time off work and auditions, and I recommend it to absolutely everybody. What's more is, the minute that I feel a cold coming on, I take 2 cloves of garlic in this way with some orange juice or vitamin C supplements, and the next day I've completely kicked it. It's like it didn't even happen. Anyways guys, I hope this video helps you. Make sure you tell all your family and friends and be annoying about it. I don't know why it's so hard to convince people that garlic is a great thing to get rid of a cold, but it is. For now, it's time to do some comment replies. Ahmad said, coincidence! I was eating salty chips the second Charlotte said salty chips. Potato Natty confirmed. Darkest Nights Jackson said, who picks which comments to put in the video? Is it you or your boss? I pick every comment. Starlord TV said, this is the one news channel that doesn't lie. I don't think I've lied. Most of the time I spit facts, but sometimes I give my opinion and I don't know everything. I've learned my lesson though. I definitely don't say whatever the hell I want anymore. Because most of the time, I'm wrong. ZonQ said, why do people hate Logan Paul? The short answer is the Suicide Forest thing, where he filmed the body of a dead person who'd taken their own life. I think that's the main problem. Super Blazin said, goodbye, have a nice day. Okay. Bye. The video is over and thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, we put together a playlist for you that's right over here. And obviously, if you enjoyed your time here, smash the thumbs up, subscribe, and notification bell, and I will see you in a future IO video.